And Rayson Luna Rosa from the outside, rushing up is Gabo. Moving up by Dorelis Benissimo. It's now Gabo by half a length, followed by Benissimo in second. Luna Rosa is racing third by about 3 lengths. Then comes Pride of Cabanela. Manila's Gem, Alleluia in inner class. Passing the half-mile post, Gabo by about 4 lengths, followed by Benissimo. Luna Rosa is racing third by about 3 lengths. And rounding the far turn, Gabo by about 5 lengths. Benissimo in second. Luna Rosa is getting closer in third and running forward by about 6 lengths. Pride of Cabanela. Alleluia, inner class, Manila's Gem. As they race the final corner, Gabo by about 7 lengths, followed by Benissimo. Luna Rosa taking the second spot. Pride of Cabanela, Alleluia. And nearing the finish line, Gabo by about 5 lengths. Luna Rosa in second. And nearing the finish line, Ace Aguila on Gabo. Luna Rosa, Alleluia. Benissimo, Pride of Cabanela, close. Manila's Gem, inner class.